What's going on, guys? Welcome to CS Backs. Hope you have a great day. Today is Backs Breaking Day. This time we have a Prizm basketball draft pick from 21-22. So we're gonna hunt for the top rookies in this class like Keith Cunningham, Evan Mobley, Scotty Barnes, Franz Wagner. They are the top rookies in this class. So this is a mega backs. So 60 total cards, 5 cards per pack on mega backs, and unwrapped 23 mega backs exclusive orange ice Prizm per backs on average. And then look for rare base variation and mega backs exclusives orange ice Prizm autograph. So we're gonna hunt for this one autograph. Hopefully we're gonna hit. And these are the chances we're gonna hit here. Base Prizm silver orange base variation. Silver Prizm orange ice. Sensational signature Prizm orange ice. College penmanship Prizm orange ice. Draft picks autograph Prizm orange ice. Alright. So we're gonna hunt for the top rookies here. Plus autograph. Hopefully we're gonna hit an autograph here. This is my first time to break on mega backs. Hopefully there is a banger. Alright, let's start. Prizm basketball draft picks from 21-22. So this is a 12 pack per backs, 5 cards per pack. So 60 total cards. Okay, let's start. First pack. Here we go. Prizm basketball. First card. Jalen Johnson. Chris Ball, Sharif Cooper, Corey Kispert. Our first orange ice. Next, Jimmy Butler. Nice one. He's playing good right now. Alright. Second pack. Kai Jones. Ben Simmons, JT Thor, James Booknet, Paul George. Not bad. Our third pack. Usman Garuba. Michael Porter Jr. Alright, Steph Curry. Nice one. Nice card. JJ Redick. Russell Westbrook. Alright, this is our fourth pack. Draymond Green, Jared Butler, John Stockton. Next, Kevin Love, Orange Ice, Keon Johnson. Our fifth pack. So far, there's no top rookies in Orange Ice. Hopefully, this one. Charles Bassey, Jalen Suggs, nice. Jason Tatum, nice one. Davion Mitchell, Devin Booker, nice one. Orange Eyes, Devin Booker. I think these are 6-pack. 6-pack. Damian Lillard. Nice one. Dame Time. Trey Murphy. Rajon Rondo. Brandon Boston Jr. for Orange Ice Prizm. Donovan Mitchell. Nice. It's a decent card. Donovan Mitchell. And Devin Booker. Next, AI. Nice one. Look at that. Nice card. Allen Iverson. I'll take that. Jeremiah Robinson Earl. Alright, Cade Cunningham. Alright. First overall pick in 21-22. Nice card. Andre Drummond. Joshua Primo. We have Cade Cunningham. I'm gonna put that in the sleep. It's a decent card. Hopefully we're gonna hit an Ice Freezing Cade Cunningham. Alright, next. The Aaron Packs. Nice one. He's playing good. The Aaron Pack. Future superstar. Joel Ayayi. Magic Johnson. The legend. Darren Sharp. Next, Kawhi Leonard. Nice card. Kawhi Leonard. Alright, we have 4 more left. Last 4 card. Last 4 pack. Another Kevin Love from UCLA. Davion Mitchell. Greg Brown. Rookie David Johnson. This one. RJ Barrett. Nice one. New York Knicks enter to the semifinals. Eastern Conference. Nice one. Okay, next, David Duke. Evan Mobley, nice. One of the top rookies in this class. Nice one. Shaquille O'Neal. Next, Klay Thompson. Last card, Mac McClung. So far we don't have a top rookies Ice Prizm. We have 2 more left. Okay, Kawhi Leonard once again. Nice. Take that. Sire Williams. Jalen Johnson. Luka Garza. Karl Anthony Towns. Our last pack. Prizm Draft Pick 21-22. Hopefully there's top rookies here. Ice Prizm. Jaden Springer. Alfred Sengun. Gordon Hayward. This one. Last 2 card. Greg Brown. Franz Wagner. Nice one. Ice Prizm. Finally, we have a top rookies here. This These are the only rookie ice Prizm we hit. Franz Wagner plus Evan Mobley base, Cade Cunningham base, but it's okay. So thank you guys for watching. These are main hit for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment. See you guys on my next video. Have a good one from CS Back.